Famous Nigerian TikToker Peller has shared his experience after an unexpected encounter with Burna Boy's mother and manager Bose Ogulu, who seemingly snubbed him at a recent fashion event. Peller, who walked the runway alongside his girlfriend Jarvis and others at the fashion exhibition, documented the moment in a 2-minute video posted on his page. The footage included behind-the-scenes clips and his time on the runway. However, the most talked about part of the video was his brief interaction with Bose Ogulu. In the clip, Burna Boy's mother was seen exchanging handshakes and hugs with several people, but when Peller attempted to greet her, she ignored him. The TikToker style seemed surprised by the moment, addressed it in the video saying, "So when we were going home and snapping pictures, there was a woman that came and I tried to greet her, but suddenly we didn't greet her. I'm sorry." However, the incident has sparked reactions from fans, with some questioning whether it was intentional or just a misunderstanding. However, Burna Boy has yet to respond to the situation. We'll continue to monitor this story for more new developments. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.